guys, I wanted to show you this magnesium lotion that I received from the company. I don't know about you guys, but like sometimes my muscles are sore or I just need some help relaxing. And personally, I find that magnesium does help that. You can read all about the benefits of using magnesium and how it absorbs directly into your skin. But for me, this cream definitely has helped. It also really hydrates my skin, which I love. It smells nice. I love the way that lavender smells, and that's what it smells like. So for me, I find it to be very calming and soothing and great at night or after I exercise for my muscles. I have found that it really does make a difference. It comes in this nice size jar, so you get a good amount in here, and the lotion itself is like a nice thick cream. I find that it really does it makes I can replace my daily moisturizer with this. And then it does like absorb into my skin very nicely. So I'm really happy with this product. If you're looking to try out magnesium, I would definitely like for your skin, I would definitely give this one a try.